Good morning. We're just chilling today as always. We already had breakfast. They have a clean diaper. They have water. I have coffee, and I'm fake for that because I cannot handle caffeine for the life of me, but today I needed it. They had me up almost all night last night. Oh, you have blue? That's brown. You guys, tell me this isn't the cutest little thing ever. I always feel so bad because legit ever since we brought the twins home, Cinnamon's life has never been the same. But we still love him. But it's like he never gets peace anymore. He used to be like obviously the only one in the house. And he was super spoiled when we lived in Japan. Like, oh my gosh. I always tell people he's like a very bougie Japanese dog. I'm making them clean up now because I think they're done building and they're just making messes. What are you doing, buddy? It's time to clean up, okay? Let's clean up our toys. I always have to kickstart the clean off. Whatever you want to call this. Come on, you guys. Look, let's clean up. Put the blocks in the box. My Dr. Seuss today. That was really funny. Okay. So what I'm about to show you is pretty much my fault. I was in the kitchen cleaning, and to be honest, you guys will probably have seen in the earlier clip, I should have folded these clothes yesterday. Look at this. At least they're all clean, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is my fault. This is completely my fault. It's like I can't even be mad at them because I should have folded this. This is such a mom fail. I had these baskets organized because I did like separate loads the other day. So I had all of their clothes in one basket and then me and Brennan's and like towels in another. And now it's all over. And the only reason why I took it down from my wash machine and put it here is because I'm like, okay, when they go to bed, I'm gonna fold this. You guys are probably thinking like me and Brandon have our little kids as like slaves. But I just believe in like teaching your kids young to do things like cleaning up after themselves. Because let me tell you, when they were a lot smaller and they didn't know how to pick up, I was going crazy. Keep picking up. Okay, you guys, that is a wrap. I am just chilling on my bed now. I am tired. Today was a pretty long day. It pretty much just started last night, like a mini little story before I end this vlog. So I put my boys down at normal time last night and they were sleeping for about like 30 minutes. And then, I don't know, Daniel just woke up and he was crying and he like just didn't want to be in his room. And of course, if one, you know, wakes up, sometimes the other one will wake up. So it's like I had both of them upset, cranky, tired, not wanting to be in their room. So I had to take them out, let them sit in my room, and Brandon had already left for, was getting ready to leave for work at that point. So I just had a really long night with them last night. So that was just kind of sucky. And like, you know, when you're just tired from the day before, you're like more tired into the next day. That's why I had asked Brandon to bring some coffee for me, because I just knew I would not have made it through today if I didn't have any type of caffeine. But yeah, I'm just really excited. Brandon finally got put back on day shift. So if you guys don't know, there's like 3 different shifts that the military has. There's day shift, which is like your normal 7 to 3:30, or like 7 to 3 or something like that. And then like the swings, that is like 2:30 to 11. And then there's mids, which is like 10:30 to 7:30. So for over a year now, Brandon has been on mid shift. So that means for over a year I have been going to bed by myself, and I absolutely hated it. And by the way, I have my TV on, so sorry if my face is changing color a lot. But yeah, I've been going to bed by myself for over a year, and just I hated it. Who wants to sleep by themselves? So I'm just kind of excited to see what life is now gonna be like when he's back on day shift. Because, you know, like I said, I'd be going to bed by myself, and then not only that, there'd be times where one of the boys or both of the boys, sometimes they'd wake up at like 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, and they wouldn't go back to sleep till like 5. Like, you guys know how that is if you're parents. Sometimes your kids just won't do that, or whatever the reason, and then they just won't go back to sleep. And so, you know, that would kind of suck for me sometimes, because I would like finally go to sleep around 5:30, and then Brandon would come home around 7:30, and I'd have to get up with the boys like maybe around 8. So just sometimes I just wasn't getting enough hours in like at night of sleep that I would like. and then I'd, you know, be going all day. Because if you can't tell by most of these vlogs, if I'm not cooking, I'm cleaning, and if I'm not cleaning, I'm, you know, spending time with the boys and trying to teach them and, you know, just be a mom, which all of that I don't mind at all, but sometimes it can be a lot. But I mean, I am a stay-at-home mom and I absolutely love that we're able to do that, so I'm not complaining at all. It's just, you know, I'm allowed to get tired sometimes. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope maybe this inspired you to go fold your laundry, because I know I am not the only one who will wash like clothes and let it sit for a few days. But if I am, whatever. At least the rest of my house is clean, right?